the mass in brackets minus V minus U. So if you are doing it really well, it is going to be minus M in bracket V plus U. The magnitude of the change in momentum is M in bracket V plus U. The negative sign in front of this magnitude shows that after the collision, or after the object collided with another object, or it hit the wall, the object moved to the left. If it is going to be positive, it means that the object is moving to the right. As you know in vectors, moving to the right is positive, moving to the left is negative. But then the actual value that we are interested in is the M in bracket V plus U. So whenever you hear that an object rebounds or the particle rebounds, it means that you are going to use M in bracket V plus U for most of the questions that you have seen in the objectives or even in the theory. So when the particle rebounds, we have the change in momentum to be equal to M in bracket V plus U. And all that I have done over here, we are talking about only one particle. Only one particle. Its mass M, its velocity V. When there is change in momentum, that is where we will have the initial momentum subtracted from the final momentum. So this is how the equation, these are the equations that we are going to use so far. When it rebounds, we are going to use, finally, we are going to write the change in momentum to be equal to M in bracket V plus U for the magnitude, because at your level, mostly it is the magnitude that we are interested in. And you should know the magnitude of every negative number is positive. The magnitude of every positive number is positive. So far as you hear magnitude, it is always positive. So pay attention to that. All right, now this is all about momentum on a particular particle, one particle. But then we are not living in isolation. As you know, there are collisions between particles, where one particle in motion collides with another particle. And if now we are considering two or more particles, it means that we have to consider the cases over here. I'm not sure one particle can collide with itself. It is not possible. But one particle can collide with another particle, which is possible. So if the two particles are moving and then they collide, before they collide, we should consider their momentum. After they collide, we should